In this video, we're going to graph a pretty basic exponential function with some transformations. We're going to graph f of x is equal to -5 to the x plus 1. First, we'll identify the parent exponential function. Every parent exponential function is in the form of f of x is equal to b to the x. So therefore, our parent function is f of x is equal to 5 to the x. We're going to start by graphing this function first and then apply transformations to it. Okay, right now I'd like to recall that when you're graphing exponential functions, the parents, you either have a base greater than 1 and you wind up having a graph looking like this graph on the left, or if your base is in between 0 and 1, you have a graph like the one on the right. Our base is a 5, which is obviously greater than 1, so our graph is going to start out looking like the one on the left. So we'll start our graph. We're going to be increasing from left to right and going through the point 0, 1. So our first graph is of f of x is equal to 5 to the x. And we also have our horizontal asymptote at y equals 0. Okay, now the first transformation that we're going to apply is the vertical reflect. So we'll be graphing f of x is equal to -5 to the x. So what happens when we do a vertical reflection is our asymptote's going to stay the same at y equals 0, but we're going to take every point that is above the x-axis and we're going to reflect it vertically and put it below. So our point that was 0, 1 is now 0, -1, and we'll just reflect everything. Okay, and then the last transformation comes with that plus 1 that's off the end. So lastly, we're going to graph the entire thing, focusing on moving up 1. So we're going to start with the red, and we're going to move that up 1. When we move that up 1, we're going to be moving up our horizontal asymptote. So our new horizontal asymptote then is at y equals 1. We'll move this point here, that 0, -1 is now 0, 0, and we'll move all our other points up, and our final graph is the green one.